Hey guys, it's Mike here again from ProPhysio Plus, and today we're going to talk about how to manage plantar fasciitis in the acute phase. So if you refer to my previous video, you can see that we got to a phase where we can implement some exercises, but right at the beginning where it's really sensitive, we can implement some taping, in particular something called low dye taping. So this is going to be a bit of a modified one. Now when it comes to the plantar fascia itself, remember it's more of an overload injury. It's inflammation of the plantar fascia, which is that large web running down the bottom of the foot here. So we've got Josh here helping us out to demonstrate what the taping does look like. And just before, I put a bit of this Fixamol over here, just to act as our base so our tape can stick nicely to the bottom of it. So with the first strip, this really long one we have over here, with our pre-cut tape, we're just going to line it up from the base here, starting from the bone over here, going roughly to the other side. So right on the money there, and just pat it down on each side. Okay. Then what we want to do is focus on supporting the arch with a little X. So starting from this bone at the top here, and just along the arch, down, and as well on the other side. So just the complete opposite. Okay. Next we're going to support the heel, and we're supporting the arch as well. So we're going to start from the inside and then pulling laterally outside like so. Pat that one down, and you just want to overlap the piece that you already put down and make sure you're adding a decent amount of force with these bottom two strips. And the next few are simply supporting it by going flat on. It's 1, 2 over here, and the third one at the top. Just like that. Okay. And then to lock everything that we've done so it doesn't come loose, we can simply put this over the work that we just did. So this one's running a little bit short, but just make sure it roughly covers all the tape we've laid down. There we go. Okay. And the final part is just going to go on the top, just to make sure everything stays nice and fixed. So see it over here, just making sure the edges are going to fly away while Josh is going for a walk later today. Okay, and there you have it guys, modified low dye taping. Give it a shot if you're suffering from plantar fasciitis type of symptoms. Give it a go and hopefully it gives you a bit of relief. Cheers.